Hello, I'm Dr.Rajani. Here in this video, I'm going to explain how to make pre-workout fresh green juice in a simple way at home, followed by its health benefits. For this, you need soaked raisins and chia seeds along with fresh leaves of various herbs like Tulasi, basil, mint, coriander, tamarind and even curry leaves. You can have all the possible green leaves from the herbs that are easily available to you. I prefer to pick from my kitchen balcony as they are very fresh and pesticides free. Let's see how to make this juice. Wash the leaves thoroughly. Now put the leaves in a blender. Add half a glass of water, approximately around 100 to 150 ml. Now add around 20 soaked raisins and half a teaspoon of soaked chia seed. Blend well and consume immediately. If you are not able to consume immediately the whole blended juice, you can even filter it and have. The purpose of adding soaked raisins is to gain some energy that will kickstart your metabolism. Instead of raisins, we can even prefer to add any soaked figs, apricots, dates or any dry fruit of your choice in a less quantity. If you do not have time to soak, you can add 1-2 teaspoons of organic honey and a few drops of lemon, and this is purely one's choice. The purpose of adding chia seeds to this juice is to enhance the absorption of all the fat-soluble nutrients in this juice as they are rich in omega-3 ALA fatty acids. For this purpose, in place of chia seeds, we can even add half a teaspoon of flaxseeds powder or sesame seed powder or kalonji, otherwise called as black cumin powder. If you have a busy schedule and still want to consume this juice, you can just blend the fresh leaves with water and a few drops of extra virgin or MCT coconut oil. Then add honey or date syrup and relish. Let's dive into next part. When can we consume this drink? As this juice is very refreshing and energy boosting, this juice can be consumed as a pre-workout drink and also as first thing in the morning or after 30 minutes of your regular water intake. Why I'm saying this is because many of us have the habit of drinking plain water as soon as we get up in the morning. You can also consume whenever you feel tired or exhausted after a day work. In place of tea or coffee that is generally made using milk. Let's understand the benefits of drinking this juice now. This juice is rich in easy to digest fiber, rich in vitamins, minerals, fatty acids, amino acids, antioxidants like chlorophyll and other phytonutrients. As all the ingredients are fresh and natural, this juice always enhances your health in multiple ways. Here I'm listing few of them. This juice helps in boosting energy and kickstart your day's metabolism, improves your digestion and gut health, improves skin tone, skin texture, and also reduces acne or pimples. It has tremendous alkalizing effect on the blood, reducing inflammation and also deals with oxidative stress in the body. It also helps in boosting immunity. As this is easy to make, you can try this recipe and drink it for at least 21 days to notice positive changes in your health. Share your experience and post your comments too. If you like this video, kindly share it with your friends and family. Let's spread health and happiness together. Thank you so much.